Hello everyone, we got 2010 Toyota Corolla, and today I'm going to show you how you reset the maintenance light on this vehicle. Let me just show you what light I'm talking about. Is the maintenance required light on this vehicle. So what you need to do, and this is going to be a quick video, you need to switch this odometer to trip A. Turn off the car, hold, see if I can do this with one hand. So what you need to do is you need to hold this button, the odometer, and turn your vehicle to the on position. You're gonna see these dots flashing. Just keep holding, and there you go. It's reset. And notice I'm holding this odometer button, and now I can go ahead and release. Thanks for watching, guys.